Hello everyone, welcome to my channel or welcome back. If you're new, my name is Monica. I love music, I love dance and sing. I'm singing quite often on my live streams. You're very welcome to join next time. I'm gonna let you know here on YouTube, probably a couple of minutes before I go live, because I decided to go when I feel upset, when I'm happy. If I have any plans, I'm gonna let you know a day before, and you can come and request a song for me to sing. If I know the song, I'm gonna try. But today I came to react to Katrina Velarde, and I received so many suggestions and I'm very happy with that. So there's a Whitney Houston medley. I already reacted to one. Someone said that I should check another one, but I'm gonna listen by my own. Then Beyonce medley, and I was okay, where do I start it? And then a name just caught my attention. It is Umbrella. I love this song. Not only this from Rihanna, and but it is a kind of secret, right? I like rock. Well, I'm joking. Not nowadays, but when I was on my 20s, I like rock, and all the rest was garbage for me. So I'm gonna start with Umbrella, then I'm going to Beyonce medley, and I'm gonna follow your suggestions. And okay, let's go. I'm very curious. Before the video, if you like my reactions, don't forget to like, and if you like, subscribe to my channel, and let's go. I'm very curious. In 3, 2, 1.
You have my heart, and we'll never be worlds apart, baby.
Wait.
In magazines, but you.
Wait, is it a duet? Okay, I typed Katrina Velarde Umbrella. Okay, if I do not use my glasses, I cannot. Zephanie? Zephanie? Tell me how to pronounce the name, cause I don't wanna say in the wrong way. And okay, there is another song. Okay, Singin in the Rain. Now I'm feeling so not ready, but I'm gonna listen, of course. Okay, I'll go back a little bit. I love this song. Go.
You have my heart, and we'll never be worlds apart, baby. In magazines, but you still be the star, baby. 'Cause in the dark, you can't see shiny cars. That's when you need me there. With you, I always share. Because singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling! I'm happy again. I'm laughing about so dark up above, just singing, singing in the rain. You stand under my umbrella, Ella, Ella, under my umbrella, Ella, Ella, Distance and things will never come in between. You're all my entity, therefore infinity. When the world has took its part, when the world has dealt its card, if the hand is hard, together we're meant to hide. Because singing in the rain, I'm singing in the rain, glorious spirit, I'm happy again. I'm running the couch, so dark up above, singing, just singing in the rain. Singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling, I'm happy again.
and they are walking.
It's raining, raining. Oh, baby, it's raining, raining. Baby, come into me. Come into me. It's raining, raining. Oh, baby, it's raining, raining. Baby, come into me. Come into me. It's raining, raining. Oh, baby, it's raining, raining. Baby, come into me.
I was not expecting to have goosebumps listening Umbrella, but for some reason I had on my arms and on my hair. The other singer voice is so beautiful as well. I'm not gonna try to pronounce the name in a wrong way. I'm gonna wait for you to tell me how to pronounce. And who had the idea to put the songs together? It was amazing for me. I love both, and they sing like it was nothing. It was so easy walking, and yeah, I don't have many things to say, but just enjoy, and I hope you enjoy it as much as I did, and I'm gonna see you in the next reaction.